So in this Wealthsimple tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to buy Amazon put options here in Canada, ticker symbol AMZN here in Wealthsimple. So once you have Wealthsimple open up on your device, simply just go to the bottom left and press on the magnifying glass icon. Then once you're in this screen, for me, it actually is open on the options tab. So if you just wanted to go to the most active symbols, press on more in the bottom right. You can just scroll down until you come across Amazon right here. Press on Amazon and enter this screen. And now if you want to do this another way, you can just simply exit out of this, go to where it says search bar here at the top, and then type in ticker symbol AMZN for Amazon, and then two options down it says AMZN with options. Press on that one right there, then press on where it says buy, and then press on where it says options right here. Now, if you wanted to buy a put option for Amazon, at the top here it says Amazon will rise by. You want to go ahead and press on where it says rise and then change that to a put option. So if you go ahead and press on put option, it'll say Amazon will fall by. And if you want to change the expiry date, press on the date right here. So for me, it says September 29th. You can go ahead and press on that and then change the expiry date to whatever date that you want. Now, if you wanted to buy an option that's in the money or an option that's out of the money, that's completely up to you. So let's just say for demonstration purposes, we're going to go ahead and go out of the money for a strike price of $128 USD. We'll press on that, and if you want to secure this purchase, simply go to the bottom, press on buy, and there you go. That is how you guys can buy Amazon put options here in Canada, ticker symbol AMZN here on Wealthsimple. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.